Want to know how to join groups in PlantNet? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your PlantNet website. So you can just simply head on to your web browser and type in plantnet.org, and you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're in here, you can just simply select Explore. That should be on the top left side. So you can just simply hover around it and then head towards group right here. That should be right below contributions. So once you have selected groups, here you should be provided with a map where you can just simply zoom in and check locations just like this right here and get into more details, or just simply scroll down. You can add the source for a specific group, or just simply scroll down and then just join any group right here. So I'm just going to join the simple public group. So you can just simply say join the group right here and you should be in the group easily. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.